Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Christine where I share tips, tricks about finance, about stocks, about love, heartbreaks, and anything in life in general. So this is actually two part two of my video series, How Not to Get Broke in the Stock Market. So if you haven't watched the first video, I'll post the link below, and nandito siya. Yan, nandito siya somewhere. So yes, so for this video, I'm going to share with you the 4 mistakes that new investors make. So if you are a newbie on the stock market and want to learn kung ano ba yung mga dapat mong iwasan, what you should avoid, and what you should be doing first before going into the stock market, then this is the video for you. Alright, so yes, please kindly like, share, and subscribe if you find value in this post. Keep on watching! Ito na tayo ngayon sa 4 common mistakes that beginner investors make. Dahil sa reality na ganito, na mataas yung kinukuha na risk sa napakababang reward. So ano ba yun? So the 4 common mistakes is not understanding trading versus investing. Next is not having a strategy. Third is not understanding risk. Number 4 is not doing research. Okay. So for not understanding trading versus investing, so pinakauna yan, not understanding trading versus investing. Ano ba yung kaibahan nilang dalawa? So for a trader, it is an active investor who quickly buys and sells positions to make profits. So in short, maraming type of traders, pero ang pinaka-gist nila doon is bumili ako ngayon, ibebenta ko ngayon, or bumili ako within the week, ibebenta ko rin siya within the week, or within a month, or within 3 months. Pero hindi ako mag-hold on dun sa stock na yun. Papakawalan ko rin siya agad. Ang investor naman, it buys and holds stocks for a long period of time. So, may long period of time na sinasabi dito. So, regardless, whether mataas man yan or mababa yung presyo, hindi ko siya ibebenta kasi meron akong target period. Like 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years that I will hold on to that stock. Tapos, saka ko lang siya ibebenta. So, you have to ask yourself if you're going to the stock market, papasok ka ba sa stock market as a trader or as an investor or both? Ayan. So next is not having a strategy. So if you're going to be a trader, so gusto mo maging trader kasi ayan, nandito yung wins eh. You also have to consider yung winning ratio. Gaano kadalas yung pagkapanalo mo sa isang trade? Kumikita ka ba? Yun. Or out of 5 times na nagtitrade ka within a week, 4 doon, wala, talo ka. So you have to consider that, yung risk to reward ratio mo. Kumikita ka ba or hindi? And sa investor naman, dito pumapasok yung peso cost averaging. Pag sinabi nating peso cost averaging, this is regardless ng price ng stock from month to month, mababa man yan or mataas, bibili ka pa rin. Kasi ang mangyayari nun, at the end of the year, mag-average siya. So, yung lows mo, tapos yung highs mo, yan, mag-average lang sila. So, win ka pa rin. And then, diversify. Sinasabing diversify dito, you buy different sectors or different industries. So, let's say you have Jollibee. So, nasa consumer siya, nasa food. Hindi lang dapat Jollibee yung hawak mong stock. Although, malakas si Jollibee, ang favorite stock siya ng almost sino mang trader or investor na kakilala nyo. Hindi dapat siya lang yung stock na laman ng portfolio mo. At least mga 3 to 4 stocks yung meron ka. So, nagbabari yan to, depende na kung ano yung gusto mo, real estate, sa banking, finance, nandyan yung BDO, Metro Bank, Security Bank, real estate, Ayala, SM, Robinsons, through, let's say, travel, Cebu Pacific, PAL, yung mga ganyan. So, you have to diversify. Bakit kailangan mo siyang i-diversify? Kasi hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon, yung isang industry ay mataas or, ayun, nagsasucceed. Like right now, with COVID, ang pinaka nagbo-boom na industry ngayon is yung consumer. So, Nandyan din papasok sila Pure Gold, mga nagbebenta ng mga food, ng mga products. Pero yung sila Ayala, sila SM, since meron silang, anong tawag dito, commercial na mga properties na pinaparentahan, which is walang laman ngayon, so bumababa yung stock nila. So, ganun siya. So, kailangan mo siyang i-diversify para kung sino man yung mababa, mapupul siya ng mga tumataas. So, ayan. So, yun yung diversification na tinatawag. So, ang advisable is 3 to 4 stocks lang sana yung hawak natin kapag magiging investor ka. Bakit? Kasi if mag-invest ka rin naman sa kanya monthly, so sayang kapag ang dami, yung volume, yung nabibili ng pera mo, na number of shares, so sayang siya kapag sobrang damin mong hawak na stocks. So, ibig sabihin nun, konti lang din yung hawak mong shares. Ayan. So, kung may tanong kayo sulat nyo lang, tapos balikan natin mamaya. Okay, yun. So, number 3, not understanding risk. So, what is your risk tolerance? So, sabihin na nating investor ka or trader ka, hanggang saan yung kaya mong itaya? Ayun. So, may capital ka na let's say 50,000 na binili mo for Jollibee shares. Hanggang kailan mo matitiis na makita na nakapula siya? 'Di ba yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, negative, balikan natin yun. Negative, magkano ba to? Ayan.
7,000.
Ayun, negative 7,000. So, yung percentage niyan, 88%. So, 88% nung pera ko, lost na. So, you also have to, anong tawag dito, gauge sa sarili nyo hanggang saan yung kaya nyong risk or hanggang saan yung percent loss na kaya nyong i-take. Ayan. So, let's say, hanggang 1% lang. So, pag nag-reach na to ng 1%, di ang ibig sabihin nun, yung loss mo ay nasa 1% na, ibibenta mo na siya. Kasi na-reach na yung risk mo eh. So, ganun siya. You also have to stay disciplined if you're going to do this. Disciplined in terms of emotion kasi wala dapat emotions dito. Ayan. So, yun yung sa risk tolerance. Now, not doing research, what stocks should you trade and invest on? So, if you're part or thinking of participating in any groups, stock groups like sa COL, marami dyan eh. Kailangan din mag-research ka on your own kasi marami doon mag-post ng questions like ano yung tanong nila? Ano yung magandang company to invest in right now? So, although okay yon na nagtatanong, pero meron din kasi may danger. Kasi hindi mo kilala yung intentions ng mga magko-comment doon. So, i-filter mo sila lahat. Kasi yung iba doon, babatuhan ka ng company na speculative or yung mga patapon, yung mga basura stocks, mga ganyan, na hindi mo alam kung magbo-boom ba to or not. And meron naman na mga matitino yung sagot na talagang ibibigyan ka nila ng magagandang company. Pero in yourself, kailangan mo rin itanong kung ano yung mga magagandang kumpanya na gusto mong paglagyan, lalo if you're wanting to invest. So, ang rule of thumb doon, kalimutan ko lang kung kanino ko to nakuha. Ang rule of thumb, with regards dun sa company na gusto mong paglagyan ng pera mo or gusto mong magkaroon ng shares, ay, number 1, ginagamit mo ba? So, yun, ginagamit mo ba yung services nila? So, kanina nababanggit ko, Jollibee. Kasi kumakain ka sa Jollibee. So, hanggat kumakain ka sa Jollibee at alam mo na merong mga kabataan or mga kagaya mo na kumakain sa Jollibee na patuloy na magbo-boom yung business nila. Ayan. So, tapos sa bank, BDO kasi meron kang account sa BDO. So, alam mo na hanggat may account ka sa BDO at maraming gumagamit ng BDO, continuous ka lang bibili ng shares nila. Pero, nasa sayo din naman kung bibili ka ng ibang stocks like yung sa Metrobank or Security Bank. Ayan, so nasa sayo din yon. Pero pinaka rule of thumb doon is ginagamit mo ba? So, tinitingnan mo din yung kumpanya in the long term na magsasucceed ba to, lalaki ba to, mag-grow ba tong kumpanya na to, or hindi. So, ayun. So, you also have to do your research. All right. So that's about it. The four mistakes that new investors should avoid. So I hope medyo naliwanagan kayo kung gusto nyo bang maging investor, maging trader, or both. And what are the things that you should consider before you enter into the stock market. So ayan. So if you haven't watched yet the first part of this video, I'll put the link in the description box and nandito rin siya. Yan, makikita niyo siya dito. And also stay tuned for part 3 and part 4 of this video series. So again, if you find value in this post, kindly like, share, and subscribe. And I will do appreciate your comments, feedback, suggestions, and other topics that you want me to discuss and want me to share. Okay, so again, this is Christine. Live an awesome life. Have a have a good day. Live an awesome life. Keep on venturing. Keep on daring. Keep on breaking limits. Till next time. Ciao.